For the DateTimePicker, we'll be using the Bootstrap DateTimePicker, and I will be attaching the CSS so you don't have to go here and access the CSS as well. So we'll just go to the Download tab here, download and extract that. And then in here, we just need the Bootstrap DateTimePicker CSS. We will copy this and we will add that to our project. Let me stop the application. And we'll be adding inside www root folder. Whoops, I selected the wrong option. Inside CSS, we will paste that and we will include that in the underscore layout right after the site.css. After that, if you go back to the website and click on the demos here, you will see that it just needs a class from datetime or whatever class you want. Just access that and add the DateTimePicker format. We already have the same class name. You can use different, but I have used the same one. Let me show that. It is right here. So we will copy this. Let's go to the end of this page and let's add some JavaScript code. So here we will add a section for scripts. In there we will add script type equal to text JavaScript. And within here we'll need the document.ready method. So document.ready, this will be a function. And right here in the $, we will access the class which is from datetime. On there, we just need to call the DateTimePicker method and assign a format. Now, if you want, there are more properties or options that you can configure, like the start date. We will set that to today's date. Let's run this and see if this works. My main focus is not going into these details or adding validations in this course, because I want to teach you more on microservices. So right here, we hit the checkout, and if we click here, nothing happens. If we examine the console logs, it says the DateTimePicker is not a function. And I believe we missed the JS files. Let's go to the documentation, actually downloads. And we also need the JS for the DateTimePicker. That was my bad. We'll go back to our project, open the www root folder, and paste that in the JS. We will have to include that inside the underscore layout. So let me do that. And since we are making changes inside the underscore layout, we don't need to restart the project. Just refresh and that should work. And now if we click here, perfect. We have the DateTimePicker here and it is functional. It is not perfect, but it is functional for the sake of this course. So now comes the main task with the microservices. We have to think about what should happen when we place an order. Let's think about that in the next video.